Hi, I'm Rachel Catherine, and welcome to RCsummer. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I know you guys have been seeing vlogs. I finished my university series and I've uploaded 2 vlogs since then, but those vlogs were from way back. I haven't actually vlogged in like a week and a half, I think. The last vlog I did was a Monday, so yeah, it's Thursday today. I haven't vlogged in a week and a half. That's crazy for me. I was on my YouTube break and it was really nice, but I'm so glad to be back. Right now I'm in the midst of doing my makeup. It's currently 8 a.m. and I thought I would just chat to you guys for a bit. I'm really annoyed because I feel like my makeup is not looking good. Like, you know how some days your makeup just looks so good, and a lot of the time when it looks good you don't even have anywhere important to be, and then the days when you want it to look good, it doesn't look good, and that's just one of those days today. I also haven't like spoken today, so my voice sounds really weird. I feel like my eyebrows look so different. I am so excited. Today I am meeting Julia Macon. She is by far one of my favorite YouTubers in the world, and she's already one of my favorite people, but I haven't actually met her before. She's another Australian YouTuber, another Brisbane YouTuber. I'm going out to breakfast with her and Giorgio. I'm so excited. Giorgio has already met her before, so they know each other. They're BFFs, you know, it's a good time, but it's my first time meeting her today and I'm so excited. I'm just like, I'm like nervous, which is weird. I'm so nervous. I feel like I know her, but like I also don't. Like, I don't really know anything about her, I guess. Like, I know the things that she puts on YouTube, but if you're a YouTuber, you'll understand when I say this, but like when you meet a YouTuber and start talking to them, you understand, or you like get to know them properly, because although like YouTubers share so much of their life online, that's like what we do, there are still so many things that you don't share online. So I love meeting YouTubers and just finding out more about them, and like, I don't know, I think people's lives are just so interesting. That makes me sound like a stalker. Oh my gosh, I need to stop. But I have an exciting day today. Like, okay, it's probably not like super exciting, but it's one of my only days off this week. I have Thursday off and I have Sunday off, so I'm hoping I can get a daily vlog in today, but we'll see how that goes. I have to leave here at probably just after 9. We're meeting, oh, my hair looks so bad, I'm so sorry. We're meeting at the cafe at 9:30, so can you imagine if it didn't turn out well? Like, can you imagine if like we just like didn't get along? I can't imagine that happening, but like, imagine. This is the type of thing my brain tells myself, and I need to just stop. Giorgio said last time she met Julia, she's like, she's even more beautiful in real life, and I'm like, how? If you guys know Julia, I'll insert a photo on the screen. If you don't know who she is probably one of the most beautiful people I've ever seen in my life. And then when you start watching her videos, she's just like, which color did I just use? That's an issue. And then when you actually watch her videos, she seems like she has the most beautiful personality. Her voice is so calming. I feel like that's a weird thing to say, but it's true. I'm kind of a little bit obsessed. I'm fangirling a little bit, but I'm gonna try and keep it on the down low so I don't seem like a crazy stalker creeper person. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna keep getting ready because this is such a long clip. I'm just like word vomiting because I haven't vlogged in so long. I have an exciting day though, guys, so stick around. I literally cannot wait to meet Julia. I'm so excited. I look a little bit less crazy now. I brushed my hair. It's still a little bit damp. I'm such a child. Okay, it's still a little bit damp, but my makeup's done. I don't know how I feel about it. I hate it so much because I get so incredibly anxious when I'm meeting new people for the first time, and I psych myself out so much, and I know for a fact that Julia is going to be so nice. Like, I know it with my whole heart, and I'm going with Giorgio, so I'm not even going alone, but I'm like, my insides are just like clenching up, and they're like, Rachel, just stay home, just don't go, just stay home and read a book. But I don't want to. I want to go. So I'm gonna go. I know I am. I thought I would show you guys my outfit for today. I'm actually so obsessed. I'm wearing this cute little dress. This is just from Showpo. They were so lovely and sent it to me, but I'll be showing you everything they sent me in a haul very soon, but it's literally perfect. I adore it. And then I'm just wearing my white slides from City Beach. The plan for today is to go out for breakfast with Giorgio and Julia, and then I'm gonna probably go and check my PO box and pick up some packages, and then I'll probably hang out with my boyfriend for a bit. There's a few things that I could do, but I haven't like definitely decided if I'm doing them or not. When I do get home eventually, whenever it is this afternoon, I'm going to open my packages on camera with you guys. So I'm going to read my book for a little bit and then I'm going to head off. I was just leaving my house and I almost forgot my camera. Can you imagine if I forgot my camera? So I'm just leaving now. I'm gonna head off to breakfast. I don't know how much I'll vlog. I'll see how much I can. I just don't want to shove cameras in people's faces, especially because I've never met Julia before. So I just want to like hang out with her. I'm genuinely so excited. I'm also really hungry and excited for the acai bowl I'm gonna get. But I'll talk to you guys later. I'm here. I saw them. I'm nervous, but it'll be fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm here with Julia. Oh, it's that. Wait, let's start it again. I was not focused. I'm here with Julia and Giorgio, but I see you like every day, so yay! And we all got acai bowls. This is like one of our favorite acai bowl places. And they got coffee. I didn't because I don't drink coffee. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to eat this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We have to say goodbye. We're definitely going to catch up a lot more though. Yeah. It was a fun time. It was a good time. Good acai bowl. We should just like sit on the couch and eat food and like talk for another 4.5 hours because that's how long we've been here. Oh my goodness. Honestly. Okay, goodbye. 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 Hello, my friends. I am home now. I've been out for basically the whole day because I went and visited my boyfriend after we went out for breakfast. But guys, we went out for breakfast at 9:30 and we left the cafe at, I think it was like 10 to 2, quarter to 2. I could be wrong, but it was a very long time, but it was so good. Julia is honestly amazing. Like she's better than she is in her videos, and I didn't think that could happen, but it happened. She's just great. And you know those people who you just click with and you can just talk to for hours? It was just one of those situations. So I'm very grateful to have made a new friend, which also completes one of my New Year's resolutions, which is to make a new friend. So I'm very excited about that. So Julia, if you're watching, whether you like it or not, you are now my friend. So I hope you are happy about that. But I went to my PO box on the way home and I thought I would show you guys what I have, because I do have a few things that I want to unbox with you guys, but also I have some things that I received last week when I was on my YouTube break that I still wanted to show you guys because I thought you guys might want to see them. So let's get into it. This isn't a huge unboxing. I'm not some really famous million subscriber YouTuber. I don't get PR packages, but I do have a few things, so let's see what we got. The first thing is a box from Maya, but this is actually a gift for someone, so I can't really unbox this one, so I'm sorry to disappoint. The second one I have though, this is a package from Whiskey and Stone. They got into contact with me and they're a company that makes glasses, but they're not just like decorative glasses, they're not prescription glasses, they're not just trendy glasses. I don't want to give you guys the wrong information, so let me just check my email to see exactly what they are. I know what they are, but I don't want to explain it wrong, and I know they're going to explain it a lot better than I will. So basically the lenses have a blue light filter which can filter out up to 50% of bad blue light. So basically blue light comes from screens, or like blue lights are in screens, and from looking at screens for a really long time you can get headaches. I know I get headaches. You can get sore eyes and it's just not a good time. So basically they've made some really cute glasses that basically help you not get a headache, help you not have sore eyes, and any other like medical effects basically that can come with that after a long time. They look so fancy. Wow, I'm impressed already. Oh my goodness, wow, this is literally so fancy. They have a little business card. Oh, a little cleaning cloth. That is such a nice way of packaging it. Wow. I'm so scared these aren't going to suit me, but oh, they're so beautiful. But even if they don't suit me, I'm still going to wear them for editing and stuff. I will give you guys an update about what I think of them after I've worn them for a bit, because I don't want to be like, yeah guys, they're great, without even trying them. So I'm going to give you a proper review later in this vlog after I do some editing. But I mean, I kind of look like a grandma, but I kind of love it. I don't have any glasses like this, and I think they're really cute. I feel like it would look better with my hair down. I definitely look like a grandma. Oh my gosh. But I love it. I love looking like a grandma. Yep, definitely a 10 out of 10 so far. But I'll give you guys a proper review later in the day, later in the night, maybe even tomorrow, telling you guys what I think about getting headaches and looking at screens and stuff like that. So I'll keep you guys updated. This case though is so nice. Wow. Another package I have is, I'm really excited about this one actually. This one is from Milk and Bone Boutique. My YouTuber friend Alex Mioto, I'm not exactly sure how to say her last name. She created this boutique. Are you kidding me? She's a uni student who created a boutique. I think that's honestly incredible, and it's genuinely my dream one day to have an online boutique. If you speak to any of my friends, you'll know that. Like, I really love it. Look at it, it's so cute. It says Milk and Bone. She has her own stickers. Oh my gosh, I want my own stickers. Thanks for your order. Enjoy, Rachel, from Alex. Thank you so much, Alex. Guys, look at this. Literally, when I was just about to show you the t-shirt, my camera battery died, so I'm back. But look how cute this little top is. I love it. I love it. It just says honey on it, and I feel like these are so trendy at the moment. Love it, love it, love it. I'll definitely do some like outfits of the day and stuff with this. I feel like this would look so cute with some just like plain denim jeans, like tied up at the front. Woo, perfect. And the next item I have, oh my gosh, I love it. I've been wanting one of these skirts for no joke, like months and months. And it's just one of these, oh, it's gonna be hard to show you, tie up skirts that has like all the little frills on it, and it's just white and it ties up on the side. I should definitely try these on for you guys a bit later and show you guys what they look like instead of just showing them up. But thank you so much to Alex for sending me those. I'm honestly obsessed. I will link her boutique, Milk and Bone Boutique, in the description box below, and I'll also link the items that I have in case you guys want to check those out. I also have a discount code for you guys if you want to check it out. It's on the screen right now, and you guys can save a little bit of money. But I honestly love supporting smaller boutiques, especially when you know the owner is a great person. So love Alex and love her boutique, love her clothes, and yeah. The next thing I got was actually a package I received last week, but you guys know that taking more Polaroids was one of my New Year's resolutions, and so I bought some Polaroid film. 100 sheets of film, if that's what you call it. Sheets? I don't know. At the start of 2016, I ordered a package just like this online on eBay because it's a lot cheaper to buy in bulk off eBay rather than buying them at Kmart or Target or JB or wherever you buy them from. So that's a little life hack if you guys like to take a lot of Polaroid pictures, because it can get expensive, to be honest. And the last thing I have to show you is a package from one of you guys, which I was honestly shocked when I got it. I was like, what the heck? Basically, it was a letter and a little package from one of you guys. Her name is Sandra. She doesn't want me to read the letter on camera, but I just wanted to let Sandra know that I am so appreciative of that letter. It was so incredibly sweet and kind, and it just made me so happy. But along with the beautiful letter, she also sent me this. Is this not the best thing I've ever received in my period box ever? So basically what it is a little index card holder, ring binded little notebook almost, and it has my initials on the front. RC for Rachel Catherine. What do you mean? And she made this. It is just so incredibly beautiful. You guys can't even really see the like beautiful, look at that texture, look at that pattern, and it's full of index cards, which you guys know is my favorite way to study, and I just thought this was one of the most thoughtful gifts I've ever received in my period box ever. And I'm just so thankful for it. But I'm gonna go, it's almost dinner time actually, and I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Good morning guys. Today it is Friday, it's the next day, and I was going to end this vlog last night, but I wanted to give you an update this morning of the glasses and the clothes that I received yesterday. Especially the clothes, I just wanted to show you them in like daylight, trying them on, because trying them on at nighttime just would have looked terrible. So I'll show you guys what I think. I'm honestly obsessed. The lighting still isn't the best, but this is the skirt, and I am honestly obsessed. I think it is so incredibly cute. So it just ties up on the side, and you can tie it as tight as you want because the string just goes all the way around. So it's gonna fit you pretty much no matter what, and it's just like a really nice length, fits me perfectly. I love it. And this is what the top looks like. I am obsessed. I love t-shirts. You guys probably already know that. I love it because it's not like cropped, like this is still sitting where my jeans or something would start, but these shorts are high-waisted. But at the same time, it's not super long. It's like the perfect length. So I'll tie it up at the front and show you guys what it looks like that, because I usually wear my shirts tied up at the front, and I think this would look super cute tied up at the front. I love it. I really love it. I think this is what I'm gonna wear to work today. I really like it. I also wanted to give you guys a quick update and like review of the Whiskey and Stone glasses that I got. So I used these to edit this entire vlog that you're watching up to this point last night, and I had no headaches or anything at all, and I honestly love them. And by the way guys, when I give my review on things, whether it's clothes, whether it's glasses, whether it's anything at all that I ever show you, I always give my honest opinion, and I always tell the companies that I'll give my honest opinion as well. I genuinely love these glasses, and I would honestly recommend them. Like, I really like them, and it sounds really bad, but I wasn't expecting to like them as much as I do, but I do. I really like the shape of them. I would never ever choose this shape out for myself because I feel like I look terrible in like every glasses shape, but I love them. But I'm just gonna end this vlog here and start editing this little section of it so I can get this video up for you guys, and I'm gonna start a new vlog as soon as I finish this clip now. So I hope you guys did enjoy this. I'm so glad to be back vlogging. I've really missed it, and hopefully I'll be continuing with a few more daily vlogs or like a couple of days smushed together kind of vlogs in the future, within the next few days even, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.